Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you something very important if you're new to crypto, how to safely transfer coins between exchanges like BingX and Bybit without making mistakes. Let's say you want to send USDT from BingX to Bybit. First, go to your receiving exchange, in this case, Bybit. Open the Assets section and click on Deposit, then choose Deposit Crypto. Select USDT as the coin you want to receive. Now, the most important step is choosing the correct network. Always make sure the network you choose matches on both sides. In this example, I select the TON network because it has lower fees. Once selected, Bybit will generate a wallet address, and I simply copy it. Now I move to BingX. I go to Assets, click Withdraw, select USDT, and choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Here, I paste the wallet address I copied from Bybit. Then I again select the same network, TON in this case. If there is any memo required, you must check it, but here there was no memo, so I leave it blank. After that, I enter the amount I want to send. The minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT, so I enter 5.7 USDT. If your balance is not enough in your funding account, you may need to transfer it internally from futures or spot to funding first. Before confirming, always double-check 3 things: wallet address, network, and amount. Even a small mistake can cause loss of funds. Also check the fee. In this case, it's around 0.15 USDT, so the receiving amount will be slightly less. Once everything is correct, I confirm the withdrawal and authorize the transaction. After that, I go back to Bybit and wait for the funds to arrive. After a short time, the transfer is completed successfully, and the USDT appears in my Bybit account. So that's the complete process of copying a wallet address, selecting the correct network, and transferring crypto safely between exchanges.